Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet at Wig Studio 1. Today we're going to explore a new style by Belle Tress in their Icons collection. You can find this style and all of the other Belle Tress styles right here at Wig Studio 1. If you drop below the video, expand the description box. There'll be a direct product link for you to look at. You can see the colors, you can see the pricing, you can see the sales that are going on these Belle Tress styles. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support at WIGSTUDIO1.com. Adorable, glamorous, ready to go right out of the box. I got this out of the box, I just gave it a shake, and I found a parting space that I liked, and that is all I have done to this style. All the work being done by this voluptuous curl. There's a mixture of some round barrel curl. There's some straighter pieces in there. It just gives a little bit of a messier look. But it does look like it's been set kind of in rollers and then just broken up with the fingers, much like Marilyn Monroe wore her hair back in the day. It's about 7 inches right there in the front, and you notice that that front piece has a little bit of wave to it as well. It tends to stay out of the face very nicely. Overall, right around 11 to 12 inches. I'm going to put up a picture of this cap for you because you'll see where it has an extended lace front, back into the ear tab. It has a double monofilament top that is very comfortable. It moves so naturally. You can part it wherever you like, and then it's completely hand-tied. You're going to see these stretchy hand-tied panels all the way around. It has Velcro adjusters, some really nice premium features. This one does fit typical Belle Tress, which is more suitable for average to average large. I was able to get a nice fit for a 21¼ inch circumference by cinching in those adjusters as far as they could go. It just feels impossibly lightweight on the head. It only weighs like 3 ounces, 2.5 to 3 ounces. There's no permatease at all here. This is made from that same luxurious buttery type feeling Belle Tress heat friendly fiber. So you could definitely tweak this to your liking. Now this color Buttercake Blonde reminds me a lot of the Raw Sugar Blonde from the City Collection. So I think that would be a nice fit going from City Collection to the Icons Collection. Buttercake Blonde starts with that light golden brown shade. It's very heavily highlighted, has a ton of dimension. So you'll see some ash blonde, some light ash blonde in there, and then also some medium kind of a soft gold blonde. It doesn't really read too yellow. And all of that is on a medium root. So I'll give you a look at this one in outdoor light, and then we'll return for some styling. Mentioned this Monroe is right out of the box. I gave it a shake. I applied it. I kind of swirled around just to bring out the natural volume. You have to bring air into that layering in order to flesh out the style. And then I used just a little bit of heat from my hand to provide a little bit of contour right at the front, just to make sure it stays out of my eyes. Now you could easily wear this down. So we're going to try out some different looks here so that you can get an idea if this will work for you. Your comments are welcome below, and I'll see you next time right here at TAZ's Wig Closet.